Hi, I'm Alex. In today's video, I'll be covering the topic of connections in Getint, which is how Getint has access to the apps that you're trying to integrate. As it's basically very nice summarized here, is that Getint utilizes the REST APIs for interacting with the applications you intend to synchronize or migrate, and it necessitates authenticated communication, and we need your credentials in every API request to access your data from specific application. So the best practice is to create a service account in your applications for Getint to act as those accounts and basically make edits, create tickets or post comments. So let's try to create the integration. Let's go with the continuous sync, and right now I'm doing Jira Azure DevOps, and both are cloud. So this process varies on the deployment type, but cloud is the most common. So here you can select from the previously created connections, but let's create a new one. First we have to provide the URL of the instance that you're trying to connect to. Name the connection for future reference in other integrations. Provide the email address for the of the service account, and then provide the personal access token that you have previously or just now generated. On how to generate the access token for every of the app that we support, you can go to our documentation page that you can find in in the description. And basically here we have covered every application and how to get the access token and connect. So click add, and we have created the new connection, and now simply let's select it from the options. And now select the project that you will be syncing. Click connect, and we have access to Jira. Do the same for the other side. In my case it's Azure DevOps. Do the same again. The URL, the email address, and the access token. There we go. Select the newly created connection. Select the project, connect, and there we go. We can start building the integration. To manage your connections, simply head over to the workflows section and to this connections tab. In here you can search the connections by name or ID, filter by the owner of the connection, or filter by the application that it's referring to. And we have some basic information, which is ID, name of the connection, the app that it connects to, the URL of the instance, the owner of the connection, and the permissions that the other members of the workspace have for that specific connection. And then in the actions tab, we have some options, which is debug requests, which is usually for troubleshooting and letting us access your connection, to delete the connection, to edit it, and here you can edit the name of the connection, the email address. Let's keep it that way. Change the email address, change the personal access token, especially before it expires, and then change the access that the other members in the workspace have, so they can either view, use, or edit the connection. And lastly, you can export the connection. Here, this is mostly useful when you're moving to another instance of Getint, and all you have to do is to provide an encryption key, then hit apply, and you will be provided with a script. I will not show it because it will display my personal access token, but basically write down or remember this encryption key, copy the script, and when importing, select import connection, name the connection, paste the script, and input the encryption key that you have just provided, and that's pretty much it. So yes, if you're having firstly, as I first said, here you have in the description the guide on how to connect to each of the app, and then if you're encountering any issues, we have some covered on this page as well, so please check it out first. but if you're encountering something that isn't covered here, feel free to chat with us or to open a support ticket or just reach out to me via email, and we'll work to resolve your issues. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.